Ever wondered how the richest celebrity on the planet manages to travel the world unnoticed? Stick around to discover the secret tactics they use to stay under the radar. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the secretive world of luxury travel and uncovering the challenges high-profile individuals face when trying to move around the globe without being detected. Celebrities face a unique set of difficulties when traveling. The constant presence of paparazzi, the risk of privacy invasion, and the threat of security breaches make every journey a potential nightmare. For the richest celebrities, these issues are magnified. They can't just book a commercial flight or stay at a typical hotel without attracting unwanted attention. The stakes are incredibly high, and maintaining privacy becomes a top priority. Private jets and exclusive accommodations. Let's start by looking deeper into the use of private jets. These jets are flying fortresses with state-of-the-art security measures. From biometric entry systems to onboard security personnel, safety is paramount. They also feature luxurious amenities like master bedrooms and gourmet kitchens. For accommodation, the wealthiest celebrities choose private islands or secluded villas. These properties offer advanced security and privacy. Advanced planning and security teams. Celebrities employ security experts to plan every detail of their travel. This ensures a smooth and private journey. One of the most fascinating aspects of celebrity travel is the use of decoys and disguises. The richest celebrity might use lookalikes to throw off paparazzi and fans. A lookalike might be seen leaving a popular venue, drawing attention away from the real celebrity. Disguises can range from simple changes like wigs and sunglasses to more elaborate transformations with the help of professional makeup artists. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is just as important as physical security. Celebrities use encrypted communication channels to avoid their travel plans being leaked online. Now, let's reveal the ultimate travel routine of the richest celebrity. This routine involves a combination of all the tactics we've discussed. Imagine this. The celebrity arrives at the airport in a decoy vehicle, while the real vehicle takes a different route. They enter the airport through a private entrance, board a private jet, and fly to a remote island. Upon arrival, they are whisked away to a secluded villa via a private helicopter. Every step of the journey is meticulously planned and executed to ensure absolute privacy and security. To add an extra layer of intrigue, the celebrity might even have a secondary hideaway within their primary destination. For example, they could have a secret bunker or underground suite that is virtually impenetrable. This ensures that even if their main location is somehow compromised, they still have a safe retreat. In summary, the richest celebrity employs a combination of private jets, exclusive accommodations, advanced planning, decoys, disguises, and top-notch cybersecurity to maintain their privacy while traveling. The effort and resources dedicated to staying under the radar are truly extraordinary, reflecting the high stakes involved in preserving their personal security and peace of mind. If you enjoyed this peek into the hidden world of celebrity travel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into how the rich and famous navigate their glamorous lives. Safe travels, everyone.